Right then, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. That's me, yes. What we're going to cover this week is an absolute superb recipe from the one and only Ixta Belfrage from the Ottolenghi Test Kitchen crew. I've really been enjoying her recipes that she's been covering in the garden as well, but she's brought out this book in July 2022, and what recipe I really want to cover today is the oyster mushroom noodles with caramelised caraway onions. If you look there, that's what it should look like. I've tried this before, it's absolutely amazing. So there's 3 stages to doing this. The first stage is getting your noodles, roasting your mushrooms, and then doing your sauce with your onions. And you can actually do the sauce and onions in advance, but I'm going to show you how to do this vegan, and I'm also going to convert it to be whole food, plant-based. So the ingredients you need for this, of course, you need your noodles. In this case, I'm using some lentil protein noodles from Waitrose, onions, lemon, fermented limes, or actually limes in place of lemons. If you want to know how you can ferment your limes, please do check out my recipe here. This is absolutely amazing. It really does pack a punch. Fresh garlic. Then of course you need your mushrooms. Now I'm going to use a whole mixture of these. So I'm going to use just some ordinary mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms. And then for the sauce, we need some vegetable stock, pepper. I'm using some Szechuan pepper to have that little bit of numbness, amazing. Chives and some dill, English mustard, caraway seeds, alternative cream. We're going to use some coconut cream and also some plain coconut yogurt. So let's get going. Wow, that smells absolutely amazing. And then I've actually left some of the mushrooms and some of the herbs to one side just to garnish at the end. Considering this is whole food, plant-based and it's vegan, it's absolutely amazing. A nice little taster. My wife's just finishing work shortly. Looking forward to spoiling her as always. Wow, that's absolutely amazing. And it's actually so easy. All you've got to do is just shred those mushrooms. And I like shredding them because it somewhat gives it that little meat effect. Buy a whole different range of mushrooms so that if you're not a fan of particular kinds of mushrooms, it sort of blends in a little bit better. The chives and dill really complements this so much. And you know what? You wouldn't even know there was not meat in it. It's absolutely brilliant. So, really hope you enjoy the show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Also check out my playlist for other vegan and whole food plant-based meals. I've done well over 100 recipes now. Tell me what your favourite noodles are. It'd be really interesting to see your comments below. So, hope you have a great week everyone.